Not able to discuss all these matters today because there was entire NEC program was there. So those matters we're going to discuss. So when we go back and we go to Delhi, the organizations also will meet separately. Cabinet also will be stressing. In our memorandum that we submitted, we have reiterated that a resolution was passed by the cabinet and by the assembly for ILP implementation, and we have urged the government to consider that. We mentioned about the border issue. We mentioned about amendment to 6th schedule. We mentioned about the 8th schedule of the language to include Khasi and Garo. So these were the points that were mentioned in the memorandum that we submitted today. Initially, the plan was to stay back. And then after that, because of the change in program, he had to go back. And he has expressed that he'll be happy to meet both the cabinet and the other organizations also. And it is on my insistence that I said that at least give time so that we can submit the memorandum to you. So based on that, the events took place according to what was mentioned by him. And we will be seeking appointment now to go to Delhi and meet him, maybe sometime when the parliament session starts.